Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we're taking a look at the 2020 Acura RDX Elite. This RDX is featured in a modern steel metallic paint with gray leather interior and alloy rims. Under the hood is a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle features navigation, a panoramic sunroof, remote start, heated front and rear seats, backup camera, power liftgate, keyless entry, and much more. Alright, inside the vehicle now on the driver's side, we have the same gray leather as the seats, chrome door handle, electronic seating controls with memory functions. Underneath that is a speaker tweeter. Then we have our front and rear windows, electronic unlock and lock buttons, and power mirrors, which are electronically retractable. Some black accent stitching here. Some storage underneath that, our main speaker, and rear liftgate button. We have our chrome Acura accent here. Power seats with lumbar support. Here's our gray leather seats. Getting in the vehicle now. Off to the left of the steering wheel, we have some buttons, 6 buttons here. Collision assist, lane control, parking assist, traction control, and we have our electronic parking brake. The wheel itself with tons of controls on it. Cluster controls, volume, and cruise control off to the right. Go ahead and start the vehicle up to view the cluster and the infotainment screen. There we go, push to start off to the right. Here's our cluster. And the infotainment screen here, very wide screen. Underneath that we have our hazard lights, as well as climate control and heated seats. Here's our shifters. We have park, reverse, neutral, drive, and sport, and some modes here. And we can turn off our auto on off. Here we have the touchpad for the infotainment screen, and button back buttons, and some other functionalities here. Have a nice chrome cover here for the cup holders and some extra storage, as well as a USB port. Here's our console. And on the roof here we have some roadside assistance and our panoramic sunroof controls, as well as dome lights. Here's the sunroof itself, passenger seat, and some more accents throughout the front of the vehicle. Alright, on the outside of the vehicle now we have our alloy rims with our Acura center caps, color matched mirror covers, as well as door handles. Chrome accent along the length of the vehicle. We have rear privacy tint on the side as well as the back of the car. More chrome there. The back of the car has chrome Acura badging as well as RDX badging here. We have chrome tip exhausts below that. Here's our key. We'll go ahead and hold to open up the rear of the boot. Here's the back of the vehicle, lots of room, seats go down, 60-40 split back there. Alright, into the rear of the vehicle now, on the driver's side, we have the same gray leather with black accent stitching, chrome door handle, speaker tweeter, electronic power windows. Underneath of that we have some storage with a cup holder. Gray leather seats and a 60-40 split in the back here. Comes down for some cup holders as well in the rear. We have our magazine holders on either seat, rear vents, as well as rear heated seats. And we have some USBs back here as well, 2 of them. Some more storage on the other door, and more chrome accents throughout the back as well. Thank you so much for joining me for the review of this 2020 Acura RDX Elite. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and we hope to see you in Wolfe Cadillac very soon.